Hi, this is Des, and please bear with me for several minutes as we explore the world of English. Today's topic is related to social studies. This is Unit 16, and our topic is about country. Well, in this picture, you can see a map, and in the map, you can find different countries. Now let's read the passage and let's find out more about country. I will read this first in a slow-paced mode. Then after that, you can join me in reading the passage again in a fast-paced mode. How many countries are there in the world? There are 195 different countries in the world. 37 countries are in Asia and 53 countries are in Africa. 50 countries are in Europe. After the year 1990, 33 different new countries were made. They include Yemen, Kazakhstan, Serbia, Kosovo, and so on. Now, let's read the passage again in a fast-paced mode. Let's start. How many countries are there in the world? There are 195 different countries in the world. 37 countries are in Asia, and 53 countries are in Africa. 50 countries are in Europe. After the year 1990, 33 different new countries were made. They include Yemen, Kazakhstan, Serbia, Kosovo, and so on. Well, did you understand our passage for today? Okay, let's have a quick review, okay? Here it says that there are 195 different countries in the world. 37 countries are found in Asia, 53 countries are in Africa, and in Europe there are 50 countries, okay? And after the year 1990, there are 33 different new countries were made, and they include Yemen, Kazakhstan, Serbia, Kosovo, and many more. Well, please don't forget the information of this passage, okay? Because on our next video, I'm going to give you some exercises that are related to this. Now, let's do true or false here. Again, you're going to write or circle T if you think that the statement or the sentence here is true. And if it's false, that means the statement here is wrong. Let's start at number 1. Many countries are all over the world. What is your answer? Very good. It is true. Our answer here is true because it says here there are 195 different countries in the world. So that means there are many countries. Okay. Number 2. There are 50 countries in Asia. What is your answer? Very good. The answer here is false. It is false because, according to this passage, in Asia there are only 37 countries, okay? But here it's 50, so this sentence is wrong. Number 3, only one country is in Africa. Okay, this is F or false. It is false because in Africa there are 53 countries. Okay, so this one is wrong. So our answer here is false. Now, let's study the new words that we encountered in the passage. In this part here, you can see the Korean meaning, okay? First word is country. Country. Same. Same. Europe. Europe. Include. Include. Yemen. Yemen. Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan. Serbia. Serbia. Kosovo. Kosovo. Now let's study the word after. When we say after, that means behind in place or order, or at a later time than. Now let's use this word in a sentence. We can say, after lunch, we went to the zoo. After lunch, we went to the zoo. Next, could you call me after you go home? Could you call me after you go home? This is all for today, students, and I hope that you learned a lot this time. And please remember to study our lesson, because on our next video I'm going to give you some exercises that are related to this topic.
Are you sure?
This is Teacher Jessica, and please join me again on my next video as we explore this book together. Goodbye.